Welcome back to Wellesley. I have an interesting home to show you today. This is a one-owner home, custom built, made to be accessible, which means it's going to be very easy for you to get in. Welcome to 25 Parkview. Whether it's through the 2 garage doors or oversized man door, there's plenty of room to get in all your toys and vehicles. Get inside this unique home and you're greeted with original hemlock doors on the way in with plenty of storage just off of the mudroom and laundry area. It's easy to get interested in hosting Easter dinners in this kitchen as you have plenty of counter space, and it's also open to the huge dinette and dining area sliding out to the backyard that's privately treated. So you can get in and out through these doors or these doors in the huge great room with vaulted ceilings and also oak cabinetry built in. Now friends and family and guests will get in and out through the front door into this wide open foyer with 2-piece bathroom right here. While your accessibility needs are being met through wide hemlock doored openings, open into this main floor master with ensuite as well. Upstairs is perfect for family or friends that get invited and don't quite want to leave, as you have 2 large bedrooms with vaulted ceilings with high windows on top that also share a pretty cool bath with some gray fixtures. With all those vaulted ceilings and light flowing in, it's the sort of feeling you get in a chalet. But for now, we're in the finished basement with 2 bedrooms and all the room you need to play. And let's be honest, there's a little bit of work to be done here, and you can get that in the workshop. So this is your chance to get into the Wellesley community and also a large one-owner family home that has a price point and a layout that is both accessible. Watty, Chestnut Park.